Hey, uh, Jory, this is Whitney. I love your experiments. I think they're awesome. I have a really good idea. Have you ever tried to put a doorknob in the microwave or a 12 inch or maybe 10-inch TV in the microwave, or an old radio in the microwave? Or if you ever had put it in the microwave, tell me. My name is Whitney, and I'm Whit 1988, bro. It means my last name is Whitney Broderson, but I like to do videos too. So, if you have any other ideas, is it a good idea to microwave all this stuff? Maybe you should do a laptop from the early time of before they come as a camera on the top of your camera. Ooh, I got an idea. Here is an idea. I have something that you might want to do. So, if you could do peanut butter cups in the microwave, a big one, those big honking ones in the microwave. Oh, and don't forget, the best one is, have you ever put a sponge in the microwave? Tell me and I will tell you this. I think that's the best thing you can do. That's all I have to say. Do some more videos. I want more. I want you to do a marathon of, please answer back to me. My name is Whitney, and please answer me. So, have a good day. Alright, bye guys. Respond back in 30 days. Thanks. You have 30 days until Spire Day to respond to me. So, no later than 30 days.